Tired of your hard-earned content being easily copied from your Squarespace site? Let's lock it down. First, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and find the Website section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to expand. Within the Website menu, locate and click on the Advanced option. This is where we'll be adding our content protection settings. On the Advanced page, scroll down until you find the Code Injection section. This is where we can add custom code to modify your site's behavior. We're going to add a small piece of custom code to disable right-clicking. You'll need to copy a specific code snippet. I'll provide this in the description below so you can easily paste it. This code tells the browser to prevent the default right-click action that typically allows copying. Within Code Injection, look for the footer box. Carefully paste the entire code snippet into this box. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. After pasting the code, remember to click the Save button, usually found in the top left corner of your screen, to apply the changes to your website. Now, if you visit your website, you'll notice that right-clicking and attempting to copy will be disabled. This is a great first step to deter casual content theft. It's important to note that this method isn't foolproof. Savvy users can still find ways to access your content through browser developer tools, however. For the majority of visitors, this will significantly protect your work. For more Squarespace tips and content security advice, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.